This 5 minutes moving average strategy is the best trading strategy that you'll ever need. Forget everything you know about moving averages and focus on the things that I'm about to teach you in this video. 2 years ago, a friend of mine, who was a father of 2, lost his job. With a lot of bills hanging on his head, he had no hope of making money. He had already given up on Forex trading. But when he used this strategy and was able to make more than $350,000 in the space of 6 months. Another friend of mine used this strategy and now making consistent $30,000 and more every month. The strategy that you're about to learn is very powerful. This is not one of those strategy that you see randomly online. This is a very exclusive strategy that I'm about to give to you today. If you pay very good attention to this strategy, you're going to see extraordinary changes in your trading life. And if you are able to practice it for at least 10 days without missing a day, you are going to thank yourself and Trading Tribe for it. But before we get into all of that, like this video so that other traders can find it and also become profitable, and subscribe to our channel. If you are encountering us for the first time, now, my tribe soldiers, let's get down into this business. Moving average is one of the most popular, most powerful, and most used trading indicator in the market. If you open the chart of more than 80% of the traders around the world, you will see them using this strategy. Everyone preaches about its goodness and effectiveness on the chart, but not everyone is making money from it. In fact, only a very few traders are making money from it. But why is that so? That's because only a handful of traders understands how the moving averages truly works. Only a few traders can decipher the real flow of the moving average. What many traders don't seem to understand is that the moving averages differ from each other, and not all moving averages are the same. They are divided into different classes. And each of these classes don't move in the same way. Some are slower, some are faster, some take time to adapt to the chart. So it will be crazy to trade all of them with the same strategy. This is one of the root cause of all the failures that many traders experience while trading with moving averages. But when you understand how this truly works on the chart, it becomes one of the most effortless way of trading in the market. You'll be making profits almost automatically on the chart. The traders who have mastered the moving averages have shown to have more winning percentage than those trading any other indicator. Now, let me take you back to the basics so that we can paint a pure perspective on this strategy. Alright, while trading the moving averages, we have the simple moving average, the exponential moving average, the smooth moving average, and the linear weight moving average. Each of these moving averages move in diverse ways and require different trading strategies, but the best among them is the exponential moving averages. The exponential moving average is faster, filters the noise from the market, and gives better profitable trading opportunities. So we are going to be using the exponential moving average for this 5 minutes time frame strategy. And if you have checked my previous video on moving average trading strategies, you will see that I only trade with the exponential moving averages. But selecting the exponential moving averages alone is not all to this. There is one more thing. A very crucial part of a moving average strategy is what you apply it to. You can apply the moving average to the high, to the low, the open, or the close, and many more options that you can apply to. And the best is to apply it to the close, whether you are trading it on TradingView or you are trading it on MetaTrader 5, always apply it to the close. And when you have done that, you're already 60% correct into the strategy. You have moved ahead of a lot of whack traders in the market. Now, for this strategy, we are using the 10 exponential moving average and the 20 exponential moving average. Let's paint the 10 exponential moving average in a green color and the 20 exponential moving average in a yellow color. And here we have it on the chart. Now, this exponential moving averages alone are very powerful, but you know what is more powerful? Combining the exponential moving averages with the previous daily candles high and low. This is where this strategy gets really interesting. And why do we need the daily candles high and low? The daily candle's high and low serves as an indication of the flow of the indicator and the flow of the market price together. This is going to show us the real direction of price for the day. So we go down to the daily time frame and draw out the high and low of the previous daily candle. This is very crucial for the strategy to bring us profits. Imagine how much you are going to make with this strategy. Follow carefully. When you are trading with the 5 minutes time frame, your goal is to get the best price movement for the day on different assets. So the first thing you do is to draw out the high and low of the previous day. In order to ride the price movement of the current day, to be able to get this flow correctly, you pay very good attention to the high and low of the previous daily candle. Believe me, this gets even more simple the more you use it. Now, to be able to know if you're going to buy or sell the asset for the day, you wait to see the flow of the market around the high or low of the daily candle. If you see the market breaking the high of the previous daily candle and continues moving up, it's a sign that we are expecting a buy trade from the market. And if the market breaks the high of the previous daily candle and then starts moving down below the high of the daily candle, it means that we are more likely going to be expecting a sell trade for the day. You can do the reverse for the previous candle low. Whenever you see the market breaking down below the previous market low and it keeps going down, it means that we are going to be expecting a sell trade for the day. And if the market breaks below the low of the previous day candle and then it changes direction and starts moving up, it means that we are more likely going to be expecting a buy trade for that day. Now, one of these scenarios is going to happen every day on every asset, and whichever direction the market takes us to, that is the direction that you are going to be trading the market, as long as it is also fully supported by the moving average. I repeat, as long as it is also fully supported by the moving average. Now, we have known at least 80% of this strategy. The question now is, how does the moving average support this analysis? First of all, after you have identified the direction of the market, the first thing you will look out for is if the moving average lines are tight or well separated from each other. If the moving average lines are tight or clinging to each other, we will not look for a trading opportunity. But if the lines are wide and flowing in the same direction without clinging to each other, we will be looking on trading the market. The next thing is to wait for the best time to enter the market. The best time to enter the market is when the risk is very low and the profitability is high. And for this strategy, when the risk is much lower, is when the market makes a little retracement to the 10 exponential moving average line and then forms a momentum candle. It can be a bullish momentum candle or a bearish momentum candle, depending on the target direction of the market. Now, with all this said, let's see an example of this strategy at work on the chart. The first thing you do when you open your chart is to draw out the high and low of the previous daily candle, and then you observe the direction of the market on the 5 minutes time frame. Right here, you can see that the market broke the high of the previous daily candle and started moving higher. And this is why I love this strategy. All you need to do is to wait for the market to retrace to the 10 exponential moving average line and form a bullish momentum candle, making sure that all this are happening at the high of the previous daily candle, and from there you can take your trade, placing your stop loss below the momentum candle, and you'll take profit targets at least 2 to 3 times the size of your stop loss. And as you can see, this trade was a successful one. The take profit target was hit successfully, a good winning trade. Now, let me show you another example. But before I get to that, I would like to inform you all about our Telegram channel. On our Telegram channel, you will see me trading and making money from the chart, just like the way I teach you guys to do. You will see all my analysis, trades and self-improvement trading psychologies that will help you to become a better trader as you follow them. The link is placed in the description box below. Now, in this example, you can see that we have drawn out the previous daily candle's high and low. So we move down to the 5 minutes time frame, and from there we get the market direction for the day. So here you can see that the market moved down to the previous day's low and started rising up again. What we do in this scenario is that we wait for the market to move much further, which it did here. And as you can see, the moving average lines were wide and not clinging to each other. And the market retraced to the 10 exponential moving average line and formed a bullish momentum candle, which from there, we can place our stop loss below the momentum candle and our take profit target at least 2 to 3 times the size of our stop loss, or the next high, if there is. Here you can see, our take profit target was hit successfully, making this trade a very successful one. Now, even as powerful as the strategy is, it is only through practice that you will come into the profitability part of it. My friends who are using this strategy and making thousands of dollars with this only got to that level because of mastery. If you don't take your time to learn this, and you just apply it on the chart immediately, just because you trust the trading chief, it won't be able to work for you. Tell me in the comments section that trading strategy that you would like the trading chief to explain. And if you think this strategy was helpful, wait until you see this powerful trading view indicator that works like a robot, showing you the most profitable areas to enter in the market, and even placing a stop loss level for your trades at the same time, placing in your hands the best trading opportunities in the market. This strategy works like magic. See you there, my tribe soldiers.